What's up, skateboarders? What's up, skateboarders? This is a series of me teaching you the fundamentals of skateboarding. I'm going to teach you how to do the ollie, and it starts right now. We're at the Walmart parking garage. I don't know if you guys know lately, not skate here no longer. You usually get kicked out by security guard. But as you can tell, there's nobody around. The ollie is to keep you going. If you don't know how to ollie, you're going to have to pick up your board, and it can get quite annoying sometimes. And it can be overwhelming and frustrating. Sometimes, if you don't ollie, you'll jump over the object without the board following you. The key is the ollie and to keep it moving, whether it's over a curb or onto a sidewalk. You need the ollie. It is a fundamental trick. So the first step to learn how to ollie is just the basic movements. You want to be able to put your foot down on your tail. You want to snap it. That's the first move. Your left foot, you want to slide all the way up towards the nose. So all together it's like this. As you do that motion, it's all together. You're going to jump straight up in the air, like this. As you top down your tail, you slide your foot up, jump up. Pop your tail, slide your foot up to the nose, jump straight up. Remember to pop the tail, squat down, bend your knees down. Slide your leg up to the nose, jump straight up.
Let us keep up with the bright lights. Give me a chance to make it right. Let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep up with the black lights.
This is a goofy ollie. Pop your left foot, slide your right foot forward, jumping straight up. Hop with your left foot on the tail, slide your right foot forward to the nose, jump straight up. This is regular footed. Pop your right foot on the tail, slide your left foot straight up.
So if you guys got done watching the video about an ollie and you enjoyed what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. We're going to have plenty more videos of the basics of skateboarding, which will teach you how to do the ollie, as we just talked about. Nollies, fakie ollies, frontside 180s, backside 180s, switch ollies, mayos, nose mayos, shove-its, rock and rolls, the drop-in, and plenty more tricks. If there's anything you would like to see, leave a comment down below and let me know, and I'll try to make the trick tip video just for you guys.